Recently, United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification (UNCCD) has launched a report, Global Threat of Drying Lands, Regional and Global Aridity Trends and Future Projections at its 16th conference in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. What is this UNCCD? This is one of the 3 global agreements launched at Earth Summit in 1992. This is the only legally binding international agreement that aims to protect land and combat desertification. Coming to the report details, the UNCCD has expressed concern that percentage of land exposed to desertification is increasing worldwide. According to this report, 77.6% of the world's land has faced dry conditions over the past 30 years. The report also revealed that 4.3 million square kilometers of previously humid landscapes had transitioned into dry lands. If current trends continue, that number is projected to 5 billion by 2100. UNCCD, through this report, warns that if current carbon emissions are not curtailed, up to 3% of normal land could become dry, making it nearly impossible to reverse. This transition has dire applications for agriculture, ecosystems, and the livelihood of those dependent on these regions, as reduced rainfall affects crops, pastures, people, and nature. Overall, the report pointed out that much of aridity's recent rise can be attributed to human-caused climate change, and that no region on the planet was projected to transition from historical dry lands to future wetlands. For more current affair updates for all competitive exams, install Daily Bytes app.